Welcome to my channel, guys. In this very first video, I'm bringing you a Clash of Clans attack strategy. It's nothing but fireball plus furnace combo. The credit goes to YouTube's shop. So this is the army composition I'm using. I never say copy the same army that I share. Just adjust the army according to your favorite style. So let's move into our planning. I need to drop my warden and use his ability. The hook tower is in level 1. That's really funny. So I'm going to drop a lightning spell on it, dropping my siege barracks, so funneling for my king and queen. So after taking down the town hall, dropping my RC instantly activates her ability and let them do their job. Let's see what I have done. So according to the plan, dropping my warden, a test loon, couple of healers, and a couple of furnace. So if the old man goes in wrong direction, don't panic. Just try to get good value using fireball, or you need to plan it before where you are going to place your warden if he won't go according to your plan. So starting is going well as planned. Old man is going on the predicted way. And now make the old man frozen. Just make the defense invisible. Yeah, check it out. A really good start. Pretty good value with the fireball. We are going to drop our CS barracks. So then dropping the CS barracks on the top left. After clearing some buildings, I'm going to drop my king and queen. Yeah. Simultaneously, you need to put an eye on warden. If you let him die, then you cannot triple the base. That's really going to be trouble for you. After taking down the town hall, we need to drop our RC and activates her ability instantly. For every 20 to 25 seconds, you need to drop a couple of furnace at the corner of the base along with the side of heroes moving on. It's not exactly the 20 to 25 interval time. You can also place the furnace in between 15 to 10 seconds according to the base clearing. So after that, you mainly use your revive spell for the warden only. If he is alive, then it won't be bad. You can use it for the rest of the heroes according to which one you like to revive. So then, yeah, let's see. Yeah, they did it. Crushed the base. That's all easy. I'll catch up you guys in another video.